China reveal its new loyal wingman drone at the Zhuhai Airshow 2022? Find out next, on the Stealth channel. On November 8, 2022, the China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation, or CASC, revealed their FH-97A loyal wingman drone at the Zhuhai Airshow 2022. The FH-97A is an updated and redesigned version of their FH-97 design which appeared at the same show in 2021. The original FH-97 appeared to be a clone of the Kratos XQ-58A Valkyrie, which is currently undergoing flight tests with the United States Air Force. However, the newer FH-97A appears to be a clone of the Boeing MQ-28A Ghostbat, which is currently being developed for the Royal Australian Air Force. Deng Shuai, chief designer of the drone, in an interview with the Global Times at Zhuhai Airshow 2022, stated, "Loyal wingman is a key hot topic in the field of UAVs in recent years, and is widely considered to be an important part of the future unmanned combat system." The FH-97A is a medium-range high-speed UAV that can carry out detection and research, identification and tracking, accurate positioning as well as intelligent attack on critical locations and facilities. The system can carry the smaller FH-901 drone to quickly and accurately attack enemy maneuvering targets and sensitive targets. The FH-97A is not only a sensor, but also an ammunition carrier, and also an intelligent assistant for pilots. It can extend a pilot's situational awareness and scope of an attack, and by using FH-97As in large numbers, each loyal wingman drone can become an intelligent node in the air combat system, obtain local combat information, and filter and integrate to form a wider battlefield situation, assist pilots to make decisions, and liberate people from dangerous and highly tense combat environments, so that in addition to being traditional pilots, the pilots can become more of commanders of a flight formation. The model of the FH-97A also shows two distinct and exposed traditional engine exhaust nozzles at the rear, unlike the stealthy shrouded design seen on the original FH-97 mock-up. Deng Shuai, chief designer of the drone, indeed pointed out that the FH-97A has changed compared with the FH-97 in terms of the electro-optical payload and the air intake method. The electro-optical payload of the FH-97 is under the fuselage, while the electro-optical payload of the FH-97A is above the fuselage. The FH-97 uses an intake on the back, while the FH-97A has side intakes. In addition, there are some differences in the weapons bay, as the new FH-97A's weapons bay is designed to enhance the maneuverability and speed in air combat, while the FH-97's weapons bay is designed for land attack. The ventral weapons bay of the FH-97A, containing a pop-down launcher under the fuselage, can carry 8 air-to-air missiles. The drone can also carry pods with different functions, including radar jamming, reconnaissance and communications jamming, as well as fuel tanks, extra missiles and precision-guided weapons. Thanks to the embedded intelligent skin antenna, the loyal wingman drone is also difficult to jam. The FH-97A is equipped with 2 engines. In addition to conventional wheeled takeoff and landing on runways, this type of UAV can also use a rocket booster for complete takeoff and landing under special conditions, and carry out arrested recovery. Deng said that the FH-97A could be reconfigured and become operable on vessels. Although the FH-97A has excellent endurance and can accompany manned aircraft throughout the entire flight, aerial refueling is still a future development direction for this type of UAV. In addition, as a loyal wingman that can accompany different aircraft, the FH-97A also needs to establish contact with different models of fighters. Its airborne data link system has a multi-band format, which is compatible with various aircraft in active service and can realize cross-platform interconnection. I hope you enjoyed today's video about the FH-97A loyal wingman drone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment to help our channel grow. Be sure to check out our other videos while you are here on the channel, and thanks for watching.